Hello, welcome back again. This is part 2 of solving simple linear equation. Now, in solving this linear equation, we're going to still use the balancing method by reversing every single rule. It's 4 minus 3x equals negative 14. Now, what we need to be careful is that the 4 is a positive number, and that means negative 3 times x. And like I said previously, the number attached to the letter should be the last one to be removed. So we need to get rid of 4 before negative 3. 4 is a positive number, so to remove 4, we take away 4 from both sides. Now when that happens, 4 minus 4 is 0. And now on this side, there's only going to be negative 3x on the left-hand side. And on the right-hand side, negative 14 minus 14 is negative 18. So you've got to be very good at your negative numbers. This is negative 3x. That means negative 3 times x. So if you want to get rid of times by negative 3, reverse is to divide both sides by negative 3. Now, negative 3 divided by negative 3 is 1. So you can cross that off. So you have x equals negative 18 over negative 3. And negative divided by negative is positive. So your answer now becomes x is equal to 6. Let's look at 5. We need to get rid of positive 3 before we get rid of times by negative 4. First, to get rid of positive 3 is to minus 3 from both sides. So that becomes 0, and you have negative 4x equals to 15 minus 3 is 12. Negative 4 is multiplying x, so we're going to divide both sides by negative 4. Negative 4 divided by negative 4 is 1, so we cross that off. And x is equal to negative 12 divided by 4. And from rule of negative numbers, positive divided by negative is a negative number. So x is equals to negative 3. Now pause it and see if you can do 6 yourself. Okay, hope you've done it. Let's look at this. We need to get rid of negative 5 before we get rid of negative 3, that is multiplying x. To get rid of negative 5, we've got to add 5 to both sides. And this becomes 0, and we only have negative 3x on the left hand side. You need to know how to work out negative 12 plus 5. If you're not sure, use the number line and count it properly. So you're going to have negative 3x equals to negative 7. Negative 12 plus 5 is negative 7. Now negative 3 is multiplying x, so to reverse multiply by negative 3 is to divide by negative 3, both sides. Negative 3 divided by negative 3 is 1, so you can cross that off. And negative divided by negative is also positive, so we can close that off. So x is equal to positive 7 over 3. So next we're going to look at when you have simple fractions involving linear equation. That will be part 3.